So this is how I packed my pack for a 7-day hike. Let me show you. Have you ever wondered how hikers pack their backpack? Are you a beginner hiker just trying to put everything into your backpack so it fits? Let me walk you through it. So your sleeping bag always goes in the bottom of the backpack. It is designed to fit there. Next, I put in my sleeping pad, so it just kind of tucks in on the floor of the bag. I like to keep all the heavy things towards close to my back and towards the middle of the pack. Heavy things is going to be your food. Pretend this is a bag of food. Your food is always going to be heavy. The heaviest thing in my pack is always my food, and I don't even carry a whole lot. And then my cookware and my fuel is going to be heavy. So my fuel canister goes inside my pot, and everything I need for cooking, I call it my kitchen, is in this mesh bag, and it goes right there beside the food. Then I have my toiletries, and because they're all in one pack, they are also one of the heavier things in my pack. So mosquito repellent, all my toiletries, toothbrush, my trowel, my signal mirror, some TP, which is way more than I need. I might end up only bringing half of that. It does seal. Here we go. Oh, I usually have a bag for this, but it'll go there for now. That's my charger cord, only one charger. My water filter, I leave the clean bag here at home. I don't take all that stuff. Wrap the tubing around the actual filter, and then this can fit in the bag nice and loose. There it is. This is all for the outside. The last thing to go on is my tent. This will be fuller when there's food in it. This will be what my bag looks like at the end of the hike. When I've eaten all my food and I'm finished the hike. I love that part. So that's what's on the inside. On the outside, I put my clothes. So the clothes that you sleep in, and maybe a change of clothes there. And my towel. My towel is the one that I use most when I'm hiking. So that one goes at the top. And my trekking pole on the outside. Unless I'm hiking with it, it stays in there. And my water bottle on one pocket. Have I missed anything? It's pretty simple. There it is. So that's it. That's everything you need for a 7-day hike. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, smash the like and consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments if I forget anything, or if you do things a little different way. Let us know so we can all learn. And until next time, happy trekking.